Why does this matter? Well, it matters because AI is no longer a distant dream. It is here, now. It is changing how we work, play, and live. Work, play, live. Understanding the different kinds of AI helps us see where we are going. It helps us make smart choices about the tools we use every single day. We are not just watching the future unfold. We are building it with every click and every command. Knowing the difference between AI that creates and AI that acts is the first step to becoming an informed user, not just a passive consumer of this powerful new technology. Let's start with some simple definitions. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that creates new things. It can write a poem, paint a picture, and compose a song for you. Agentic AI, on the other hand, takes action to achieve a goal. Beat. Despite their different jobs, generative and agentic AI share some deep family traits. First and foremost, both learn from massive amounts of data. They are not born smart, they are trained. A generative model might study billions of images and texts to learn how to write an article or create a picture of a cat. Similarly, an agentic AI learns by observing countless examples of tasks being completed. It studies the steps to book a hotel and the best way to respond to a customer email. This shared foundation in data makes both powerful and adaptable. Another similarity, both improve with use. A generative tool learns your preferences, bold colors, abstract shapes, then suggests better fits. An agentic assistant learns routines and anticipates your next step. But shared power brings shared risks. Both can reflect and amplify biases in their training data. Now let's look at what makes these two so different. The core function, one is about content, the other about action. Generative AI is a creator. It produces new things, code, music, or answers. Its output is the final product. Ask a chatbot for an email. Job done when text appears. Agentic AI is a doer. It completes tasks to achieve an outcome. Content like a receipt is a side effect of action. Generative AI is largely reactive. It responds to prompts. You ask for a poem, it delivers. Agentic AI is proactive. Give it a goal, and it devises and executes a multi-step plan. Another difference, autonomy and real-world connection. Generative models are mostly self-contained. Agentic systems must connect, browse, integrate, and act. That autonomy is a strength and a risk. In short, one creates, the other gets it done. The most exciting future is not where agentic or generative AI wins. It's a future where they work together, each amplifying the other. Picture an agentic AI as the project manager, and a generative AI as its creative team. The agent plans, the generative models produce. Together they can both think and do. Goal: launch a marketing campaign for a new coffee shop. You give this goal to an agentic AI. It decides it needs social posts, a blog, and a newsletter. It prompts a generative model with clear instructions. Write 3 catchy Instagram captions about our new latte. Draft a 500-word blog post about our beans. Create a promotional email with a 20% code. Then the agent schedules the posts, publishes the blog, loads the list and sends the newsletter. Generative can't post. A simple agent can't write. Together, you get the best of both. Your role in the AI future. So where do we go from here? The line between creating and doing will keep blurring. We'll experience them as a single, more capable intelligence. The question isn't who wins, but how we harness them responsibly. Start experimenting with today's generative tools. Ask them to help you write, create images, and summarize documents. Watch as agentic features appear in apps you use. Email, calendar, shopping. Software will anticipate needs and act. Stay curious and skeptical. Review outputs and check for bias. Be cautious granting action permissions. Start with low-stakes tasks. Trust, but verify, like supervising a new intern. 1. Generative creates. Agentic does. 2. Both learn from data and share risks. 3. They're more powerful together. 4. Start small and experiment. 5. You are in control.